Welcome to Scratch Disk Cleanup 101, boosting performance and storage space like a pro. We do heavy work on the computer so it hangs. What is the way to clean it and how to increase its storage? A step-by-step guide to efficient cleaning. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to master the art of Scratch disk maintenance. Learn the ins and outs of efficient cleaning, discover valuable tips to optimize performance, and gain insights into maximizing your storage space. Ever wondered why your computer slows down over time, despite having powerful hardware? The answer might lie in the neglected corners of your Scratch disks. Join us as we unravel the importance of Scratch disks and unveil the secrets to keeping them in top-notch condition. Upgrade storage capacity. Consider upgrading your storage with a larger hard drive or a faster SSD. This not only provides more room for your heavy work but also enhances overall system responsiveness, minimizing the chances of your computer hanging during intensive tasks. Streamline heavy tasks by breaking them into manageable steps. Utilize efficient software and organize your work to prevent your computer from hanging during resource-intensive operations. If our Scratch disk in C drive is full, we will convert it to D drive so we will get more space. Similarly, if the D drive is full, we will convert it to E. And as far as computer cleaning is concerned, we open Run and open Temp. These are all your useless files. Delete them and press the skip button on those that are not deleted. Because they are Windows work files, they will not be deleted. In this way, your Scratch disk becomes empty. Similarly, we delete files in Illustrator. Free up valuable storage space by conducting regular disk cleanups. Delete unnecessary files, temporary data, and old downloads to ensure your system runs smoothly, reducing the risk of slowdowns and hangs. Hit that play button and let's dive into the world of Scratch disk maintenance together. #Tech tips, #storage optimization, #computer maintenance. Take care of cleaning your computer. It will have a great effect on your work. If you like this tutorial, please comment me and take full advantage of this tutorial. Thank you.